Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, I want to take you on a journey, the journey of the power of everyday kindness, navigating life with gratitude and purpose. The power of everyday kindness, navigating life with gratitude and purpose, isn't just a topic that is worthy of discussion. It is a way of life that we should all embrace. Your life is a journey filled with highs and lows. And in navigating this journey, the power of everyday kindness, gratitude, and purpose can illuminate your path. Let me ask you a simple question. What is gratitude? Gratitude is our anchor. It is about recognizing the good in our lives, even on the tough days. Yes, even on those challenging days. It is about seeing the morning sun, feeling a friend's hug, or being thankful for another day. Yes, gratitude should, is the way. This sense of thankfulness helps us focus on the positive and brightens the day. Everyday kindness is the light we all shine. What is everyday kindness? Everyday kindness is the light we can all shine on our family, our community, and the world at large. It is holding the door open, sharing a smile, or helping a neighbor. These simple acts might seem small, but they create ripples of compassion and connection that can change lives, including our own. You see, when we're kind, we tell others, you make a difference. When we're kind, we tell others that they are significant. When we're kind, we tell others that they are important to us. This kindness comes back to us, making our own journey through life a little warmer and, yes, more connected to others. What is reflecting? Let's talk about reflecting. Reflecting on our lives helps us understand our place in the world. It's taking a moment to pause, think about our actions, and decide how we want to move forward. Reflection helps us grow. It helps us to learn from our past, and it helps us to make better choices for our future. You know, knowing where you fit in is about understanding your unique role. It is recognizing your talents and using them to help others and to spread kindness. It is finding your purpose and pursuing it with a heart full of gratitude. You know, so as we discuss the power of everyday kindness, navigating life with gratitude and purpose, I want you to remember that every day is an opportunity to be grateful, to be kind, and to reflect on our journey. Yes, to reflect on your journey. Let us understand our place in our family, in our community, and in the world at large. And let us use it to make a positive impact. You see, with each act of kindness, each moment of gratitude, and every thoughtful reflection, you and we make the world a better place. We make our community a better place. And we make our family a friendlier place. And yes, we find more profound joy and meaning in our own life. So let us reflect, let us show gratitude, let us be thankful, and let us live the power of everyday kindness, navigating life with gratitude and purpose. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.